It has been another 24 hours for the second proof of these sourdough loaves. You might recall that I put 2 pieces of dough in each of these tins, and they look pretty small. They were in the bottom fourth of the pans. Here you can see the loaves have risen up over the tin. So we've gotten a lot of aeration, the yeast are working, and this is what our final loaves should look like after we bake them. We're going to bake this at about 430 degrees for 30 minutes. This is a metal pan, which we are going to put on the lower shelf. I'm going to put 2 or 3 cups of water. What this does is, professional ovens have like steam injectors and stuff like that, actual bakeries, but in this case we don't, so we can provide our own steam. Again, 430 degrees. By the way, that is my new baking stone. It covers the entire rack of the oven, and I'm going to put these in, and we're going to start a timer right away. See you in 30 minutes. The loaves are out of the oven, baked all the way through. You can actually kind of see what the structure looks like inside this bread. It'll look like that inside as well. Top to bottom distribution of air bubbles. At this point, what we're going to do is let them cool on a baking rack. Now that the bread is cooled to room temperature, we're going to cut into it for the first time. Check that out. Really good structure from top to bottom. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. This is going to make some wonderful sandwiches. And actually, I think I'm going to make some toast. A little bit of butter on that. See how springy that is? How soft this is? I am thrilled with this recipe. So what I did is I took Paul Hollywood's recipe for a regular white tin loaf of bread, and I doubled it, except the other half of the recipe I replaced with whole wheat flour. Thank you, Paul Hollywood, for your wonderful recipe. And I just am really fortunate that adding that whole wheat, it just turned into a loaf that is both delicious and springy and soft. It's going to make some wonderful stuff. I really look forward to this. This is some of the best bread I've ever made. And as you can see here, I've toasted it and put just regular salted butter on it. And guys, guess what? It was delicious. I've got a great piece of toast here with some butter on it. Man, that's good. Join me next time. You guys have a good night.